Welcome to Mystical Minds. I am your host, Jamie Girard, and today I will be reading you a poem called You're Forever in Our Hearts, in loving memory of Brady Dubo, from the book 55 Poetic Cues, written by Danny Martin Girard. You're forever in our hearts, in loving memory of Brady Dubo. It seems yesterday you were as happy as can be, riding your bike and pulling stunts all day long. Life gave you a challenge so great you questioned in disbelief and couldn't understand why. You were a fierce fighter, never wanting to give in. When the battle was overwhelming, you fought and fought to relieve the pain. We'll always remember the days you held on simply for your zest of life. And we'll always remember the days you held on, all the tears you shed when life was overwhelmingly sad. Most importantly, you imparted memories and love in our hearts, and we'll never forget nor regret your short journey of simply being yourself. You touched many lives, and many tears are shed for the great man that left. Farewell, my brother, until we meet again. In another dimension, you're forever in our hearts, and with us always. In loving memory of Brady Dubo. Thank you so much, Danny G. That was amazing. And now I'd like to have a moment of silence in loving memory of Brady Dubo. So if you are able, please close your eyes and have a moment of silence in loving memory of Brady Dubo. Now, take a deep breath in and let it out. With love, thank you so much for listening. Have a beautiful day.